Hi everyone, I'm Emily from Chiptech, and today I'm going to give you a quick introduction to our Chiptech Go. The Go has been designed as a personal safety device for everyone to keep you safe and supported everywhere. It uses really intelligent roaming to jump onto the best network in the area to help send through your alarm. Go's IP67 water resistant, so there's no need to worry about that good old English rain. You can even wear Go in the shower. With a 1 to 2 month battery life, there's no need to worry about charging. Go will even let you know via a voice announcement when it needs placing on its wireless charger. We're going to do a test call for you in a minute, and as you'll see, it has a quality two-way speakerphone so that you can speak to the operator. Let's see how it goes. Hi everyone, I'm out on Lancaster University campus, and I'm going to do a test call on the Go for you to show how it works. In order to raise an alarm, we either press both buttons on the Go, or if fall detection is enabled and a fall is detected, then the alarm will be sent through automatically for you. So let's raise an alarm now.
Help alert in progress.
So it lets us know that the alert's being sent. Just take a second to go through to monitoring for us.
Help alert in progress. The alert has been received by monitoring. You will soon be contacted by an operator.
So it lets us know the status of the call at all times, so we now know that the alert's been received by monitoring.
I try to connect you.
So they're ringing back to us now.
Hi, Computer Service Response Centre, how can I help?
Hi there, it's Emily, just doing a test call.
Okay, Emily, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all fine. I'm just wondering if you can let me know where I'm located at the moment.
Okay, yep, just bear with me.
No worries.
Okay, Emily, we've got you at the corner of Pendle Avenue.
Okay, that's absolutely perfect. Thank you very much for your help.
Okay, then stay safe. Okay, bye, I'll close down the call.
Thank you, bye-bye. So as you can see, Go went through straight to monitoring, and the operator picked it up and told me that I was exactly at Pendle Avenue. Great stuff. Let me talk you through our digital base unit EVA. EVA's full of really cool functions that firstly makes the most out of digital, but also works to give you and your client peace of mind that this base unit is going to be there to support them when it's needed most. One of the features that's been really useful, especially over the past 12 months, has been the voice-guided installation feature within this unit. This large voice file governs the installation to ensure cellular signal and to ensure that pendant range testing is completed. This process is finished with a live call to your monitoring centre so that you and the client feel confident with the service that they're going to be using moving forward. In addition to this, EVA has a 300 metre pendant range and a 70-hour battery backup that we feel is really important to provide safety and support during times of need, especially in the case of maybe a flood that's lasted over a weekend period. EVA also has an alarm app, so our Chiptech Response app can be used to push alarm notifications to family, friends and carers, but also provide that reassurance that should someone be unavailable to respond, that alarm will actually get escalated to the monitoring centre to ensure that the alarm call is responded to. EVA has an advanced algorithm within the unit that ensures roaming at an alarm period to ensure that it's always connected to the best network in the area. It comes with an IP68 water rated pearl pendant, and this is also available in other wearing options such as a wrist worn, a necklace, a brooch, and we also provide an easy press pendant for those with limited dexterity. Now, all of our solutions are designed to work in congruence with each other, so this is where the Go pendant can actually be used in conjunction with our EVA base unit. So the Go pendant can be used as a universal pendant both at home and out and about in the community. By pairing these two devices together, you're able to offer a comprehensive solution with peripherals that can be paired into your base unit. However, you can also give your client the confidence to live life outside the home without having to switch pendant. The heartbeat safety features within EVA also extend to your peripherals. So this reduces need for on-site visits to check smoke alarms, etc. And it also gives you the opportunity and confidence that all aspects of the solution are functioning and they're working. If you would like to see the voice-guided setup in action, please head over to our YouTube channel where there's a full video of the installation. It only takes about 3 or 4 minutes and will give you a great idea of how this unit self-installs and the safety and governance behind the installation.